everyone, Minglaba. Welcome back to SI Myanmar channel. I'm Hime. Today I will try Burmese snack. These snacks are very popular in Myanmar. Come. Món là sao tập khoản món là sao món là sao
chỉ cái gì là
ai nhìn này lao lên thẳng This is molasang, a traditional Burmese dessert. It is made with skissy rice flour ball and coconut milk, and you can eat with the curry syrup too. The coconut milk is rich and creamy. It tastes soft, sweet, and very comforting. Molasang is favorite dessert in Myanmar, especially in the evening. Dale. Đó rồi, wow, nó như này khiến gì bọn nó giá quạt lì thì thế này bị nó thì mà nó giá khai mẫu design từ lúc bỏ nó khả năng lại mẫu thì giá đi rồi gì em nhà đâu This is Rakhine Moti, a famous noodle dish from Rakhine State. It is made with thin rice noodle and fish-based soup. The sauce is light, but full of flavor. It is usually served with fish flesh, garlic, wine, and fresh topping. The tea is a little sour, spicy, and very refreshing. Rakhine Modi is simple, delicious, and very popular in Myanmar. Hello ရန်ကုန်ရဲ့မြို့နယ်တိုင်းမှာကျတော့ဒီလိုဈေးလေးရှိရပေါ့နော်အခုဟိမရောက်နေတာကျတော့အတော့ကဈေးမှာပေါ့နော်ဟိမတို့ရုံးစင်းနဲ့အကြောင်းစင်းနဲ့ဆိုလို့ရှိရင်လည်းဈေးဝယ်လို့ရတယ်ပေါ့နော်ဒီမှာအကျော်ကျော် Now for the last one, I will try fried banana with cheese. Deep fried banana is one of the famous Burmese snacks, but this one is fusion style with cheese. It's a little windy and the cheese made me feel full. This snack is perfect with coffee or tea. That's all for today. I hope you enjoy watching me try Burmese snack. Which snack is your favorite? Please tell me in the comment. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.